All right, guys, we got a 2015 BMW X5. This is what it sounds like before. Not bad. Here's sound decibels. Right at 95 again. It's a really beautiful V-badge BMW X5. I like it. All right, guys, 2015 BMW X5M. So it's got the massive V8, it's almost 600 horsepower. He's gonna put a tune on it and make it even around 660. It's gonna be a sick car once it's done. It's already a sick car, but it'll be even sicker once it's all done. Sexy white on black. So we'll show you what we did to it. Got factory converters up there on the motor somewhere. Then it's got 3-inch pipe all the way around on each side, back, into 2 resonators in the middle, right there. One here, one here. Then 3-inch pipe continues on each side. And then what we did is put 2.5-inch pipe and replace the 3-inch with 2.5, because you can't really bend the 3-inch that without kinking it. So we put 2.5, and it gives it a little bit more back pressure. Also, this one comes with valves. So what we do is we zip tie them, we cut them out, leave them plugged in, and leave the valve on there. When you guys want to do these, you want to make sure you leave the valve on there, because it will trip a check engine light if you don't, and then you just zip tie them away like that, so the motor thinks it's still in there. And then we put 2 tips on it right there, and there's the quad tips that we put on it right there, and right there, staggered black Namonti tips. Came out really sexy, really clean, as you guys can see there and there. There it is, muffler delete. And there's the muffler that's originally on it, right there. And it comes with 2 more massive resonators out the back on it. And that's where the valves were on these, right there. Right there, that's where we cut them out, and then it comes quads out the back. That's what we cut out and ran this in its place. So it's got a muffler delete on it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. Music City, USA. Nice idle. That's it. Yes, that's it. Speed. Your sound is 114. That is perfect. I love it. I love the look of the tips on it. Yes, sir. Go ahead and back it up. Is there a sport button or anything on it?
Well, yes, it's the M buttons on the steering wheel.
Show him. Turn on the M. It might get louder.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah, go ahead and do that. He's going to turn on the M package, the sound of it, to open up the valves more. Yeah, it changes sound. See that? Yeah. I like this sound better. It got deeper. Imagine when you do the tune. Bro, when you do the tune, it's going to be sick. Turn off the M. Oh, it sounds so good. You see the angle of the tips? Oh, perfect. See? Stick out just right. I love it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. BMW X5 V8 4.4 liter M package. MX5. X5M. Whatever they call it. Still sexy. Black on white, white on black, whatever. Nice tips, just beautiful. Let's see how much this thing will fly. Yes! Bass boom! Out of an X5. Beautiful.
Alright guys, 2015 BMW X5. It's come in a couple of times. We had downpipes put on somewhere and now it became way too loud, so we brought it back. We put the stock resonators back in the front. Still too loud, a little too raspy for them. So we put an X-pipe, a 3-inch X-pipe in it, and then 2 vibrants at the rear to help tame it down. And then if it's too quiet, we can always take out the other resonators later. But anyways, so here's all the factory. That was loud as hell. Anyways, so his downpipes are up there, no longer has cats. We didn't do any of the work. He took it to a mechanic shop, did all that for him. We only started working all the way back here. So there's the factory resonators that we originally took off, put back on. And then there's the new Total Flow X pipe, 3-inch in and out right there, all the way out. And then the rear delete that we did a while back, we installed 2 vibrants right there and right there on both sides to help try to catch some of that rasp and drone and scavenge coming out the back. And then went back into the same black quad and the Tommy tips right there. And the part number for the vibrant is 1792. It's 2.5 in, 2.5 out. Back to the same quad tips he had, black, there to Tommy. There you guys go. Remember guys, like, comment, subscribe, we'll let you hear it. We are located in Nashville, Tennessee. It's a lot deeper on that startup now. Really clean too. Sound up. 106. 106 on the peak. A whole lot cleaner. Yeah, I got rid of that rasp on top a lot.
It smells so good.
Clean. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside. BMW X5. X-pipe, stock resonators, and vibrant resonators downpipe.
All right, guys, we've got a 2015 BMW X5. We did earlier in the year, and he brought it back. It was joining a little bit because he put downpipes. So he brought it back to us, and we did something on it. Let me show you what we did. So it's got downpipes on this side and that side. And then there was nothing on it, just pipe right here. So we took it out and put 2 vibrant ultra quiets right there, part number right there. 1142, 2 ultra quiets. Then we added an X-pipe, but all this other work was done previous. We added the ultra quiets to it, so we should do a comparison video for you guys. 3-inch pipe continues all the way back. Also has 2 vibrant resonators, one there and one there. And then it's finished off nicely with 4-inch black tips for a nice clean look, as you guys can see right there. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you guys hear it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys hit that subscribe button, we get about like 5% that actually subscribe. So we'd really appreciate if you guys hit that subscribe button. We just put Vibrant Ultra Quiets in the mid, Vibrant 1794s in the back. There'll be a link in the description for all of it. Here we go. Ah, it sounds so clean now. Wow. We added the Ultra Quiets because he was complaining of drone. So hopefully this kills the drone for you guys. Here you go. Go ahead. Right at 107. That sounds so clean, man. Oh, I love it. That's perfect. It cleaned it up a lot compared to before. X5M. Sounds so good. He's ready for anything now. Very nice. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Here we go, guys. X5. It's got full tune and vibrant system. Let's see how quick this thing is. Everybody's happy. Look at that. That was awesome. Hell yeah. That sucker's quick. He launched it.